Hi guys! Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat. So it's already 2025 and I wish you all healthy 2025 and sana yung New Year natin ngayon ay mas okay pa kaysa nung nakaraang taon. I am very grateful for 2024. At the same time, there's still room for improvement and sana okay ngayon yung taon natin. So I am now here in Belgium and I thought na ayoko ng winter pero yung weather na to is I find it very very beautiful. So it's very misty. So yan yung mga apple trees at saka pear trees, and then since winter nga wala silang mga dahon ngayon, and then they are frozen right now. Ang ganda guys kasi misty ngayon. So gusto ko pala tong ganitong weather. So tingnan natin yung ibang pear trees na frozen. So tingnan nyo. Ang ganda, 'di ba? Ang lamig, talagang ang lamig, pero masarap sa feeling at saka maganda siyang tingnan. So it's very calming. Kaya naglibot-libot lang ako dito sa likuran namin, and then free naman siya, so why not? Pero sobrang dami kong mga pinatong na mga damit para hindi ganoon kalamig. Yun lang. So for this year, I really hope na we can still move on with the death of our mother. Medyo masakit pa rin siya, but then life's like that. And it also helped me appreciate small things, na to really spend time with the family, to really spend time with our loved ones. And kasi nga hindi na maibabalik yung oras. So I find it very painful for me kasi nakaplano na yung uwi ko ng Pilipinas. Dapat sana nung January, pero last week uuwi sana ako ng 2.5 months para mas mahaba yung time na mas-spend ko sa nanay ko, pero hindi nga siya nangyari. So yun lang. So I wish you all the best. Bye!